guys see anything?
Where's my wallet? Wait.
Wait a minute. This isn't right.
Let's take a look at this in slow motion. Rewind.
All right, let's see that again. Slow motion. Where's my wallet?
I think we're missing something here. Let's rewind one more time.
But let's slow it down a little more.
To super slow motion. Take a look.
Oh my goodness.
I don't believe it.
Did you guys see that?
Where's my wallet?
Whew.
Thank goodness for that super slow motion. And now back to you.